Hey there, fellows. Okay, so right here we have a machine that we had quite a bit of fun with recently. It's still very much alive, most of it works. At the very least, the engine starts. So why not try using it for something? No point letting it sit, right? Now, some of you might remember that green Oka of ours. The one we converted into a pedal car way back to save money on gas. Well, lately, gas prices have gone through the roof. And so here's what we have in mind for this wonderful machine. Pedaling on my own that one time was really difficult. And so we've decided to fit pedals for all of the occupants. For the driver, front passenger, and for everybody else as well. So we'll do that, and then head out to see how well that works. Whether it'll be easy or just as hard to work those pedals. We'll find out shortly, but I do think it'll be way more fun with 4 people than if I were on my own. Okay, let's get to it. Wait, have you seen our new Freddy-style t-shirt? If not, hit the link in the description. If you're still here, you should know that aside from a new t-shirt, we offer a lot of other different merch, bearing the Garage 54 logo. Past payment issues have been solved, and now you can send payment for your order even via PayPal. So if you'd like to treat yourself, a friend, or a relative to some awesome Garage 54 merch, hit the link in the description to head on over to our shop. And don't forget to use the promo code for a solid discount. Now back to the video. Our answer to High Fuel Prices 2022 edition. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. And here's where we're at with this. This is our Lada-based pedal car, and the drive system is very simple. Now, we did want to make it a 4-seater, but with how little space there was left in the back, we could only accommodate 1 person. I guess this will be a 3-person deal then. It's still better than being alone. I mean, that Oka might have been light, but it was still really hard. But here we have a gearbox, a differential, which was working to reduce the rotation at first. But then it turned out the car was moving too slow, and I mean literally barely even moving. And so we flipped it. Okay, what else? We have a steering wheel, a brake lever. Everything works very well. Man, I should have gone to a gym and trained on an exercise bike before doing this. I once got a cramp on one of those. Oh yeah? Some athlete I am. What can you do? Cramps happen. It's usually something wrong with the equipment. Put it in gear. Wait a second, hold on. Okay guys, come on. Hold up, we'll get there. Can you see my legs getting stuck? Let's try this in first. Whoa guys, we're not in any rush. There we go. We're already in 3rd gear. Should we try 4th? You're just sitting there on an exercise bike. You're not going anywhere. Of course not. We're really breezing through. And we're even carrying some decent speed. Unlike that OK where I was literally crawling. Look at those guys laughing. Care to join in on the fun? This is kinda neat. Getting back is gonna be way more fun. Right? Because we'll be going uphill. Grab a lower gear. Oh, you want a lower gear? Not too low for you, is it? Because we don't want to frantically pedal and not... I can slow down if you want. Would have thought I'd be using the brakes. Wanna try second? What, is third too much for you? This is a bad road. The road is fine. I see you have a bicycle. You guys enjoy riding bikes? How about giving this a try? And showing us what you got? Wanna try this? Is that a pedal car? Yep. They didn't get it at first. It's got some off-road ability as well. But honestly, we were going downhill the entire time, huh? Yep. And now it's time to head back. Uphill this time. Fourth will certainly be too much. Though there is only one way to find out. I don't think we can even handle third. Are those guys going for a drive or what? I'd use first. Because this is a bit... Of course we have a brake. It's pretty badass, yeah. Honestly, I don't really get bikes. especially one like this. Ass is moving, feet not so much. I'm trying to negotiate a price here. Oh wow, look at that. And we've barely even gotten out of the garage. You'll definitely save a lot on gas. Yeah, this is our answer to high gas prices. Quit standing there, get in. I'm trying to do my job here. Come on, Slav. If this were a normal car, you'd be totally okay. Of course, that'd have an engine. Well, this does too. Did you go straight for fourth? Why'd the wheel lock? Someone forget to take it off? Are we really in fourth? You dropped something. So yeah, this was still exhausting, even with the three of us. Though it was still easier than riding solo. We really should have taken more weight out of it. As it is, we removed the motor, the roof was already chopped off, and that's pretty much it with the weight reduction. Anyway, it'll be around, I don't see us immediately dismantling it. If anybody wants to stop on by and give it a try. This was fun and a good workout. And that's all I got for you. Watch us, subscribe, send in your suggestions, comment, give us a big thumbs up. Alright, catch you later.